Hello, I'm Corey, and today I'm going to do a flip through of days 11 through 20 of my 100-day project, which is 6 by 6 and 6. I did it for the first 10 days. I did it for the days 1 through 10, and somebody asked me this morning, hey, would you do that again, because it was helpful. So it'll just take a few minutes, and I'll do it. This is the book that I showed you that I was going to switch to, and so I have, and you can see, if you saw the first one, you can see it's already getting chunky. So I've got 20 days in there, and by the time I get another 80, well, it'll be chubby. So 1 through 10, starting with day 11. Day 11 was a heart pocket, and this uses one sheet of 6 by 6 paper and gives you a little heart-shaped pocket for treats or fun things in your junk journals or albums or whatever. So day 11 is a heart pocket. Day 12 was a flat triple pocket, and it actually could be a quadruple pocket. You can tuck, rather than gluing it down like I did here, you can tuck something in the back there. And this is great for scrapbook albums or junk journals because there's pocket, 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 but you still have a lot of space in the middle to put some kind of ephemera or decoration or whatever, but you've still got the ability to pocket, so that's kind of fun. Day 12, a flat triple pocket. Day 13 was a tag pocket clip. And this one, I showed a way to put a paper clip so you can still journal on the back, but you've got a pocket on the front and you've got a pretty bit of ephemera. Great for traveler's notebooks, junk journals, maybe not quite so much scrapbook albums, but it would be a really great gift for a card too. So day 13, tag flip clip. No, I lied. Tag pocket clip. Day 14 was removable tabs, and this is a way to put tabs on the sides of your pages. Let's see. On the sides of your pages, if you may want to move them. Like what I was thinking is, like, if you're working in a book, you might want to tab where you're working, but you maybe be able to move it as you're moving along. And so that shows some different sizes and different ways to make those tabs. And then this was just a system of, if you didn't want to use eyelets or don't have eyelets, you could use the hole reinforcers. Day 14, removable tabs. Day 15 was paperclip chimes, and this is a super fun, simple one that works with any paper craft, and it's just a way to use paper clips to make charm dangles for your projects. Day 16 was an envelope, and big deal, it's an envelope, but it's a way to make an envelope without using a punch board, without using a scoreboard, or any specialty tools. This is just an envelope that anybody could make using some chipboard. And again, the 6 by 6 paper. All of these are 6 by 6 paper projects. Day 17 was scrap embellishments, and these are what I call strip scrap embellishments, and just showed a bunch of different ways. Actually, the focus was on the process itself, how I went about making them, how you can use their scraps without it being overwhelming. These are just samples that I had because of working in a Disney-themed book, but it works the same regardless of what type of paper you're using. Day 18 was a second type of a gift card holder with a cover, and this one actually works really well for both junk journals and scrapbook albums as well as cards, because it gives you two little pockets, one for a card maybe and one for a gift card, and it's small, it's easy, it's quick, and it's great for any last minute kind of a gift. But you could also put it inside your junk journal as a journaling spot or a way to tuck in some ephemera. So that was day 18, the gift card and cover number 2. Day 19, super fast even for me, pinwheels, how to turn any square scrap of cardstock into a pinwheel. And day 20. Day 20 was a little bit longer. There was no way it was 6 minutes, but it was how to use your 6 by 6 paper to make an ephemera holder. And there was a second video that day. So this was the ephemera holder with 6 sheets of 6 by 6 paper. But then I did a second video to show you how you can make little insert pockets for your ephemera. So rather than digging through and looking for smaller pieces at the bottom, you can put them in here, take them in and out, and you still have a holder, but you've got a little way to sort the smaller pieces especially. And it came with, showed you a ribbon tie or a standard hole reinforcer type tie. And there are directions for both of those in the videos. So that's it. That's days 11 through 20. If you're interested in one of those projects, you can go back to that specific day and look and see how they were made. The next couple days at least will be more ephemera holders, different kinds, just depending on what your personal needs are. And then from there, who knows? Thanks for watching and have a great day.